We're down in Bakewell now, on the showground site. I'm parked there. Nobody's going to scratch up the side of my van, are they? Nobody's going to scratch the side of my van. Yeah. Nobody's going to scratch the side of Luke's.
Not you notice the difference.
one more wouldn't notice, would it?
You might actually push some dents out if they do.
Yeah. There. Got a fair amount there. Oh, car come in. I'm walking on the road. Who are you anyway?
Free money,
Who are you?
I was chuffed, found a pound.
Is that where I dropped it? Down there? I dropped it down there.
But it was just covered in dust.
Oh yeah, well it would be in my pocket. It never comes out, does it?
Alright.
Well, where are we? Bakewell.
Yeah, okay.
Bakewell. Is it Bakewell or Bakewell?
Bakewell.
Bakewell. Yeah. That's one thing my ex-wife couldn't do, is bake very well.
Yeah, that way. Or you just coming down that way?
There's always one that's got to come in as the interference. Greg on the phone again. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Want to see new fishy? We'll go on a map full when I got a camera. Sorry.
It's scrap money for all that brass.
I was going to say there's a fair amount of brass there. It looks like we're going to make it to the Peacock. Homemade chips. Yeah. Now look where you're going.
Get that on camera.
No. Nope. It's not picking them up. You watch, I'll drop my phone in now. Well, we'll see if it comes out. Let's turn that one off. Right, ladies and gentlemen. I don't normally do Parkups now, for fear of them getting abused, but I'm at the National Forest. And on that map, there's Coalfield. We're right up there. That's us in that corner there. It's all looked after, with more than over 700 miles. Right, and I'll show you on the map as well where we are. Fantastic picnic area right there, and then you got all the wood walks, and I'll show you that tree in a second. I'll film out on the road as you can see the signs outside. I don't know whether you can see it on there. It's the Duchy of Lancaster, Jackson's Bank. Yeah, permissive public access, National Trust, both on the same side. And It's at Hallcroft's Cross. Yeah, best kept village 2015. That is one heck of a steep hill that we went down. We're all parked over there, nice and tidy. We went down there last night because about 200 300 meters there's a pub, a country pub, and man, it was expensive. It was expensive. It was £6 a pint. But as you can see how steep this hill is, it is very steep. We've only had a couple of dog walkers in early this morning. There's quite a few dog walkers here when we got here last night, but we do just have one night. If you don't abuse it and have one night, then you know, I don't think anybody complains then. But this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, for this many benches, it must be really busy in the summer months. I'm frozen. It is cold. I'm going to put the drone up and see if I can crash it into a tree. Let's have a go for a walkabout. They've only just got here and gone walkies. I haven't read the clipboard yet, but can't understand why they cut a slot straight through it. You can see, well, I've pushed my selfie stick right up. And, yeah, there's a saw cut right the way through that. Put my selfie stick back down. And there's a clipboard. Oh, the birchies on. Yeah, landscaping. Oh, doesn't tell me really why it's been cut. It's just landscaping. Yeah. Yeah, well, actually, in this garden there is another board. I'll have a look. Health and safety, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Covered in green moss. Obviously you get that in the forest. Yeah. Jackson's Bank woodland is owned by the Duchy of Lancaster and forms part of the ancient forest of Needwood. Covers about 81 acres, 32 hectares. Yeah, that's where we are, on the bank. Oh, it does go for a fair walk up there. Yeah. Yeah, Beck's Bank. That's 3 names I've had for it. Yeah. There's still bluebells in there. Yeah, still some bluebells popping their heads up. Just hark at that. Nothing but silence and birds and wombles. Brilliant. I'm just enjoying this absolute silence. There's all these little walk-off tracks to the sides. I bet that's deer track. And it's all green underneath the canopy at the moment. When all these leaves start bursting out, all this will die off and open it all up. And of course the sun's popping through it. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that looks steep. That looks steep uphill. And that looks steep downhill. So there's got to be 2 to match coming back. So I'm glad I'm not going up there. I'm back up at the top. They're all fast asleep. Pissed as rats again last night. I'd had enough, like, but I wasn't that bad. I think last time I heard them was about 4:30, 4:45. Yeah, there's another walk this side, and it is just, you know, dirt track this side. I'll go for a little walk so far inside. My leg is killing me now. Yeah. All these young trees coming up. I'll soon roast those out of there. Well, that's it. I'm not going no further in. Branches out here. Can't see no wildlife. Said on the sign that there's deer on here, but